I felt pretty good out there today. Last week maybe I wasn't as used to the conditions, but I got another week of practice in, and I feel like I'm really used to the conditions now. And I got off to a hot start today. And
I played better in the second set tonight. Made some stupid mistakes at crucial moment for 3, and then he took care of business. So.
Your thoughts on moving on? Clearly, you have to forget this and focus on doubles, right?
Yeah. That's easy. I mean, doubles is fun, so it's not. They really take the last round of the match into the doubles. My first time playing with Nico, so it was a good experience. You know, we are gonna only get better as we play more together. I really enjoyed it. It was fun. We had some good points.
Fun playing with Randy. Like you said, the first time, we came back in both sets, so it shows good resilience from both of us, and we kept it together in the tiebreaker.
We played good and was a good match. So close. The first set we was up 3-1, I think. And the second set, 5-2, I think so. And yeah, I'm so close.